Dear Sir and Madam, I am writing to let you know of the superb care which I received on Ward 6 east of Lionsgate Hospital recently. During this time I received attentive, professional and sympathetic care by all the nursing staff and the regular visits and updates on my condition. My wife and young sons also received great support and understanding during this
I am motivated to help my patients because I am, more often than not, I'm motivated by how they are managing or coping with their illness. And when I see them starting to lift and be lighter in their spirit, that's the most rewarding part for me.
I was a patient in the psychiatric ward here at Lionsgate Hospital for clinical depression. And it wasn't really until I had to spend a significant amount of time in the hospital that I came to understand just how incredibly fortunate we are, to have this place.
Well, the care I got, I can't speak high enough. I found everybody was very helpful and kind. I certainly have great admiration for the work the nurses do. They have a lot of patience to look after, and also they have a lot of patience in dealing with those patients.
When I met diabetes, the nurses and Dr. Stock let me draw on the whiteboards. They make me feel comfortable and I don't feel as scared. They feel like friends and they're very nice.
My leg was dislocated and broken, and there was this one trauma care professional, and she had had the same injury that I had back in the spring. And it was just awesome to know her experience and how well she came out of it, that I could do the same.
Every day when I come to work, it's humbling, and you meet people who give you inspiration in life, who make you realize that they go through the worst of circumstances and still come out smiling and looking for a place to go. How can you ever feel bad about that?
I appreciate, being able to come to a place like Lionsgate where all the staff was somehow involved in my treatment. It worked for me, and I know it has worked for many, many, many different people. And of course, if people do require the more lengthy stays of hospitalization, well, that's of course available to people too, and that's obviously emphasized by the fact that they're now building a new Hope Center as well. So I'm just grateful, that's all I can say.
I'm one of the lucky people who can say that they were born here at the Lionsgate Hospital. In 2004, though, I came here having just had a heart attack. Anything that was necessary for me before my operation, during my operation, I always felt that it was here. This hospital has some of the best people that I've ever run into. And I would like to say thank you to every one of them.
I had an amazing experience at Lionsgate Hospital. I went in for a non-stress test, had some dramatic moments through the birth of Jackson, but the staff was absolutely fantastic. We did make a donation to the foundation because we were just so thankful, and I would never do it anyway differently.
I was in the hospital for a total of 4 days because I had a chronic back problem that was inhibiting my lifestyle. I entered the hospital feeling very confident because of the quality of pre-treatment. I'd left the hospital feeling extremely confident that I was going to be fine, given the quality of care and the quality of support I had from the staff. So a big thank you to Lionsgate Hospital.
Even when Rene was in the hospice, I didn't actually think he was going to die. I don't know what I thought. I was so cocooned and protected there because the staff did an incredible job. What I want to thank them for the most is that I never ever felt that at any point Rene lost his dignity. And that wasn't just important for him, that was important for me too.
The support that my dad got as well as us when we got there, they gave that peace of mind that just let me just be with my dad. And yeah, I think that was the biggest thing for me, so thank you.
I'm pleased to say that I'm continuing to recover slowly at home in the UK. And although my vacation did not turn out as expected, I've gone away with some positive memories about my time at Lionsgate Hospital and the wonderful attitude of your staff. Thank you all. Yours faithfully, John Scatcherd.